So friends, we are going to visit the Semuliki hot spring, and this is a way. We are passed from the jungle. It's all natural, see, it's all jungle everywhere. You can see other people also coming from this side. So we are just going in the jungle. I'll keep you all posted what all will be going to see during our trip in this Semuliki National Park. So there are two ways, this side, right side, and this left one. So we are going towards the left side. Let's see what we can see. So we have a tour guide. Her name is Alisha. She is taking us through this jungle, showing us the hot springs. Still going, still moving. So let us move. Once we reach near the spring, then I'll show you the another part. Till there, we have to walk. So we are just walking. Miru, say hi. You are enjoying? I think we have reached. Go.
I'm going with my mom. It's okay.
You can run.
Just be careful. Now you walk. You can walk fast, no problem.
Walk slow, favorite.
You ask Papa to carry you then.
No.
You can walk.
Then I'm a baby.
No, we have to go very far. Walk fast. Yeah, you'll not fall. You can take big steps. See, this is all the jungle here. On the way going to the hot spring. You walk like me. See, there is Papa. Bolo Papa hi.
Papa! Say hi!
See, we're going through this swamp. This is all water. Down. Okay.
Swamp water.
Yes, swamp water.
Some of them did I say?
Yeah. Go slowly, go no.
Oh! We're going this far?
Yes, we have to go this far. Yes. Go. Wait, let them pass. We are coming. You like it, okay? You're not going too far. See, let me show you the beauty of these mountains. Oh my god, there are other people also coming here. Come. Let me hold your hand, then you walk.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Lake here?
that's bubble.
Huh?
Maybe some animals.
This is a lake.
Hmm.
But what are those?
Some animals.
Animals.
Maybe frogs. Yes.
We can breathe frogs here. पूरा यहाँ खेत है.
Oh.
We don't have to fall in that big lake again.
Yeah. Otherwise, we'll get dirty.
Even my shoes. Oh. Oh my God! How far are we going?
It's
I'm
there.
tired walking now. I just slept and walking.
Go slow, go slow.
We're going so far.
It's okay.
Oh, I like slow speed. Oh, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
Hello. Chalo, walk. You can walk slowly. Chal, oh, so sorry. Don't stop in midway. Go. Press it. Hello. Come. Dekho, they have reached there. We are still here only.
Running,
No running.
falling. Papa, रुको.
He's staying there only. Why to shout?
Maybe he was killed by an
Slow.
animal, then they were
No, the guy said, why would I go
Go.
back without an animal? Let me just disappear. Kati bwe yawulira nga bamwogerako
Come.
mu byafaayo n'agamba osiddayo ate ebyafaayo bijja kuva.
Slow.
Look at this water.
Dirty water.
यार, वो लोग और आगे चल गए.
No, they are just there only.
अभी भी fog दिख.
That is not fog, beta. That is hot water. It's boiling. Come. क्या हुआ? Okay.
Omusajja ono. This guy had the power.
Finally, you have reached.
They said he's
Yeah.
the one. His mate is the one that brought the breeze in water. Maybe it was a river.
See, this
Then
is the
when he died,
hot spring.
I like hot water.
Yes, it's all hot water.
Even in the lake.
Yes,
cool, eh?
that is boiling hot water.
Nobody can touch them.
No, you can burn yourself if you'll touch. See the steam. Touch, try and touch. There.
Hey, don't touch that.
Don't touch those.
Don't turn, don't.
Stick.
Okay, you're touching the stick. No. be. You know, don't go inside.
There's a chicken.
Someone.
Also, God is my to get me.
See the boats.
You want to meet the cultural father? Stretch around here.
Yeah. So now we are moving back to a camp where we'll spend the day today. We'll eat something and take rest for the day. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye guys.